Starting gate swings into the stretch. A couple of them gapped off Queen Street at the rail. And 8 Havens Buddy, the others planted on the gate and they're off it. Good beginning for Born Believer in the center. From the outside, High Edith flashing her early wheels. Striker Ray has come away third now. Through at the inside, fourth is Up Front Prayer. Trotting along fifth, Little River Dance. Belvedere Hanover shooting into a 6-hole. Queen Street is seventh away after being tardy at the gate. Then it's back to even time from an 8th position. And Havens Buddy, who also had that gapped off start, trails the field. In straight alignment, the field is by the quarter in 27-1. And High Edith doing what she does best, and that's making speed. She's up front by a pair of lengths. Pocket sitting second, Born Believer. Towards the inside from third now, Striker Ray. It's 2.5 lengths back inside fourth to Up Front Prayer. Little River Dance continues along in fifth. Belvedere Hanover sixth. Queen Street is seventh. Then it's back to even time. And Havens Buddy, nobody's moved a muscle from the backfield. Everybody content apparently with position and pace. The pace being set by High Edith. She registered a 27-1 opening quarter, but she got it backed off pretty good there. 29-4 in the second panel. Lands her at the midway point in 57 seconds flat. And here comes the backfield. First to pole, Little River Dance on the move. Suddenly third outside, soon to be second. Coming after High Edith. So as quickly as High Edith was able to get a breather, McDonald's got to go right back to the throttle and open it up. High Edith leads it by a neck. Now ahead, now a nose, and now on the outside, Little River Dance has got her collared. Little River Dance strikes the front. High Edith tries to battle on at the rail. In behind her from in third, there is Born Believer, and off stride from first over Little River Dance. Little River Dance had taken over to 3/4 in 127 before self-destructing, so High Edith reclaims command. Belvedere Hanover closing up on the outside, trying to wiggle out from in behind horses there. Born Believer, McDonnell just trying to feed him some racetrack. He's got the step. Here comes Born Believer on the far outside, coming after High Edith and Belvedere Hanover. High Edith comes back at the inside. A final push from Born Believer. High Edith. High Edith a long neck in front. Second on the outside, Born Believer. Belvedere Hanover third. The opener in 157.